I was able to pack 5 days worth of clothing in my Takeoff Luggage's 3.0 personal item suitcase.
5 outfits, extra clothes, shoes, and all the toiletries.
In order to fit all of this in here, I use the rolling method, and I start by rolling and then placing in the edges.
It's important that I fit every last bit of items into the suitcase, and by rolling it and placing them like this, I actually get to see all of the things.
This is a little bit bulkier, so I will be placing it right here.
It really sets my mind at ease when I can see all of the things that I packed, knowing that they're all there. Adding my shoes to the shoe bag is perfect to keep my nice clean clothes from dirt, grime, and smells by placing them inside this bag, while at the same time keeping my shoes in perfect condition, ready to be worn right when I am. Finishing up by adding my workout clothes and some socks, and then I am ready to close this up and add my last little bits to it. Using the 3-pack of pouches that I have, these are waterproof, which is super great, and inside here I put my makeup, some lotions, brushes, and actually added it to the additional waterproof area of the suitcase. The other one I put in some jewelry and then my hair care items. This is one of my favorite pieces because it is a folding toiletry pouch, and it's a way for me to keep all of my extra toiletries. I love that it keeps them organized and I can hang it when I get there. So having everything at my fingertips, it being able to fold up very nicely, very easily, and put right into the bag on top of everything is clutch. Utilizing the mesh pocket to put in lip gloss, lotion, cord, so I can easily grab it when I need it. Adding the final sunglass pouch, aka another toiletry pouch, and I am ready to close this up. Everything is fitting, however, there are times where you just kind of have to tuck things in there so you can easily zip it around and get it over it. You totally will. I know I did. And then you just close it up and you are good to go. 5 days, vacation, all set.